insert any picture that we want to try. So just simply drag it to the canvas like this and press enter. To make this trick works properly, we need to put this layer, image layer, on top of the text layer. And then we can right click, choose create clipping mask. As we can see, this image is already inside the text, and press Ctrl+T for transfer mode. We can make it a little bit bigger and move it a bit maybe. Okay, like this, and enter. Okay, that's enough for me. Thanks for watching.